Living in Sydney, I'm always craving quick snacks, and honestly, ordering in can get a little expensive. So I love recreating my favorite comfort foods at home. Today I'm making a creamy spinach corn sandwich, simple, cozy, and perfect for those lazy evenings. I start by making a basic white sauce, a little butter, some all purpose flour, and milk. Just whisk it slowly until it becomes smooth and thick. Then I add chopped spinach and boiled corn, a pinch of salt, some chili flakes, and let everything cook together until it turns creamy and comforting. This mixture goes right between two slices of bread, soft, warm, and full of flavor. Toast it until golden brown and crisp on the outside. And that's it. A creamy spinach corn sandwich made at home. Budget friendly, quick, and so satisfying. Living away from home, little recipes like this make my days feel warm and familiar. Hope you try it out too.